What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. But today, instead of working on the BMW, we're actually going to be working on the Jeep. So we got a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, and of course we gotta get our boba. So what we're doing, we're actually doing some aesthetic things. We're actually swapping out the grill on here with the VADER grill, which is over there with some other packages. But today we're actually focusing on the grill. We're going to show you on how to remove that. First thing first is we're going to be removing the clips at the top. I went ahead and started removing it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 clips we're going to remove from the top. There's going to be clips on the bottom. So I'm going to get the rest of these out so I can show you guys. Hopefully everyone is staying safe with the whole coronavirus stuff that's going on. But again, today we're actually focusing on the Jeep and not the BMW. We're switching it up. So after we get the top clips off, again, this you can see it wiggling. So there's clips on the bottom of them that we need to replace. Oh, and we also did a light bar. We didn't really record that one, but it's because it got pretty late. So on the bottom, there's gonna be like these push tabs, and you just basically push them in, and it releases. That's what we had to do to remove the bottom.
So once you remove these push tabs, all you gotta do is a little bit pry the bumper of the grill a little bit, and then there's these clips. What you do is you take your flathead and just pry it off, just like that.
Yeah, and then basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on the basically these clips is what he's talking about. So you just take a flathead and actually put pressure on it down. That way it comes out of the slot, and that's it. Those 6, and then the grill literally just comes out just like that. Super easy, quick mod. Maybe we should just run it like this.
Hell no.
Yeah. So let's go show them the new grill we got.
Let's do it.
So what we actually did was we went with a VADER grill, VADER style grill, and we did it in gloss black. And hopefully we can get this off. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Upside down. So that's the new VADER grill, and again, it's super aggressive. It's nice and gloss black. It's actually gonna go perfect with the car. And we got the little doggo in the back. Hi. Hi. It's okay. It's okay. So on this bumper, it comes with a couple of things. So what we need to do, we had to put this little flap on, and it's basically 2 Phillips screws. And same thing on the opposite side. And basically it comes with the new tabs that go in that we just removed, and we're gonna be popping those in. That's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. Alright, so pretty much we got both these guards on it along with its 8 clips. This grill actually came with all the hardware it needed, and we'll put the link down in the description, and all you gotta do is just literally take it, snap it in, and put these the rest of these 7 clips back up on the top. That's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Alright, so the one thing was we had to make sure and align it properly, and then it's snugged in. We did take off the 2 of those splash guards that were there, because one, we would really need it, and second, it was kind of hitting it a little bit, what we assumed, and then, or it was probably just wasn't lining up, one of the other, but we just removed it. So now it's basically in. We're just popping in all the rest of the clips, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, and the thing is, it comes with new clips, so you don't even have to reuse your old ones. It's pretty cool. Dude, this thing looks aggressive. Let's watch out real quick. Dude, that thing looks aggressive, and then that's the old dinky one. And now the big boy bad one. That looks badass. And then the last thing is this little gasket that comes with it, just so water doesn't go through, and basically for the hood.
If you think about it, on the OE grill, this little gasket is right on the edge of the face of the grill. So after closing the hood and lining the grill, we think that the best spot to put it is right along the edge.
Again, you guys can do it however you guys want, but this is the way we're gonna do it. So basically, we're gonna wipe it down, and then this is 3M adhesive. Just put it in, call it a day. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. Again, we have the light bar that we did the previous day. Didn't record it because we were up till 2 in the morning, and we were just kind of playing around with it, and we're like, oh, screw it. But that's the new grill, the VADER grill, and again, eventually what we'll do, we'll get some future headlights, but those are stock headlights. We upgraded the bulbs, looks good, but that's pretty much it. Like, it looks pretty solid, like it bulbs directly up, no issues. But that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next episode. See you guys.